Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC also here, in this possible wave 4 correction still. We had a bit of a, you could say triangle, but that broke to the upside, but it was not, or it didn't sustain, you could say. Well, it's still above that triangle trend line, but maybe it's now worth adding a parallel line so that we have a parallel trend channel down here. But overall, this is still corrective price action, what we're seeing here with MATIC. So overlapping price action, and the situation hasn't changed. At present, I still expect another low. I'm currently counting the entire move down as a C wave of a wave 2. And within the C wave, we are now in the fourth wave. Maybe, but only maybe, this fourth wave is already complete and could sit here. But so far, I have no strong evidence for that. I would want to see a break at least below that swing low here that occurred on Tuesday at 83.5 cents to indicate that the wave 4 finished and we're heading down in a wave 5. It could be, and that's sort of what I have labeled here on the chart, that the dip yesterday was just a B wave dip. That we rallied in an A wave. Well, you can't really call that rally, but you know what I mean. We moved up in an A wave. We came down in a B wave. And the next one will be, however, a rally in a C wave. But as long as we don't go above $1.04, the idea is that we still will sell off further in a fifth wave. So that's the level where I would change my opinion. Maybe before that, it depends on the structure. But at the moment, we haven't even reached the resistance area. So from that point of view, no change here. The overlapping price action confirms my view at present. And if we get another low, we will have a lot of, or quite decent, structural support, where I have highlighted that green support box around 76 to 68 cents. You can see here we had a lot of previous price action in that region. And only if we go below that, then we may have to talk about a dip into the 50-cent range. But again, one more low might be enough to end this entire correction. It might hold that green support area. So yeah, no change at the moment. There is a slightly different wave count where, which I might switch to. I looked at the chart over the last couple of days again in more detail, and I think it wouldn't be, well, it is certainly a possible scenario that this was a wave 1. Yeah. 1 second. Let me just think what I had. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. This year as a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upside. Or possibly the wave 4 low even here. But that all of this is a wave 1. I need to label it again. I did it yesterday. It worked out quite nicely. I will need to look it up again. But that's another scenario where we peaked here in a wave 1 and we're now coming down in a wave 2. That still wouldn't change the overall assumption that there would be one more high afterwards, which should take us higher in a third wave rally. Yeah, it might just change the support areas a bit, but I will work on that today and maybe present it to you tomorrow. But that's so far the view. I mean, it doesn't change anything on the micro side. The view is still to get one more low at present. I highlighted to you resistance, highlighted support. Short-term trend is down. Looks a bit like a bear flag. However, considering the context, that could break to the upside to hit resistance. But bear in mind, if we break below that 83.5 cent level, that swing low from Tuesday, I think it's a good indication that we're already in the fifth wave. So yeah, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.